last debate. Amit Shah has just cancelled his proposed visit for campaigning to Bengal tomorrow. That's how focused he is on the present situation. But our last debate is on whether Mamata Banerjee is changing tracks on the insider-outsider issue. Here's the political face-off, latest comments, and then our last debate.
National focus is on West Bengal. The political clash in the state is getting fierce by the day. And as we draw closer to elections, the focus is on the insider-outsider debate.
हम बिहारी राजीव सिन्हा को चीफ सेक्रेटरी बना दिया था, नहीं देखा? अभी हमारा डीजी पुलिस कौन है? वीरेंद्र, हरियाणा में घर। हमारा दो चीमा ऑफिसर है, चीमा है और रविंदर है, पंजाबी भी है। हमारा बिहार का कितना लोग है? भर्ती है और कितना भर्ती ऑफिसर है। हमारा साथ सबसे बड़ा रिश्ता है। हमारा गोपालिका भी बिहार का है, हमारा राजीव कुमार भी बिहार का, यूपी का है। ज्ञानमोहन सिंह से लेके सब है, एडीजी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सब है। तो ये लोग हमारे साथ एक साथ में अच्छा काम करते हैं इसी के लिए कि ये हमारा एक परिवार होता है। आप लोग जैसा आज हिंदुस्तान का एक परिवार बना दिया सबको लेकर, तो हम अगर आप लोगों को लेके चलते हैं तो वोट का टाइम में क्यों बंटवारा होना चाहिए?
While the governor senses politicization of administration and bureaucracy, the BJP has seen it as an attack on the Saffron Party.
हार जाता है ना, इस प्रकार छोटा छोटा बात करता है। ममता बनर्जी का पार्टी टूट रही है, चुनाव तक तो पार्टी अस्तित्व में रहेगा कि नहीं, संदेह है। इसीलिए संख्यालघु कार्ड, ब्राह्मण कार्ड, अलग अलग प्रकार के इस प्रकार के लोगों को लुभाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। जो 10 साल में किसी के लिए कुछ नहीं किया, आज कौन विश्वास करेगा उसका ऊपर?
Is Mamata changing tracks on insider-outsider debate, or is it another attempt at parochial politics? Let's debate.
It's a straight face-off here between Riju Datta of the Trinamool Congress and Sanju Verma of the BJP. Let me give you my view. I don't know what the problem is, I mean, with this statement. I think it's a good statement. And she's not being parochial, to be fair to her. Sanju, she is saying that people from different parts of the country hold important positions in Bengal. In fact, she's contradicting. Riju, can you fix your camera, please? You fix your camera, I'm getting just a shot of your table otherwise. Yes, thank you. So I actually think that there's nothing wrong with what Mamata Banerjee has said. She's talking about taking people from all over together. You should welcome it. You should welcome it. You should be happy about it. It's not an insider-outsider narrative anymore, Sanju.
Arnab, I just want to say one thing, that Mamata Banerjee is a classic chameleon. The fact of the matter is that she calls Mohan Bhagwat an outsider, she calls Amit Shah an outsider, she calls JP Nadda an outsider, so much so that she even calls Rupa Ganguly, Locket Chatterjee and Babul Supriyo outsiders. She called recently Anurag Thakur an outsider. Union Minister of State for Finance is being called an outsider by the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, who does not know how to behave when the sitting Prime Minister is sitting just few yards away from her, and due to chants of Jai Shri Ram, this lady, consumed by hubris and her false bravado, leaves the dais in a huff. So let me tell you one thing. Why has Mamata Banerjee resorted to this insider-outsider narrative? It is precisely because of the reason that she has nothing to showcase by way of governance. I have been on umpteen debates on your channel.
But she's not saying that now. No, Sanju, you're making a very long remark. The problem is, Sanju, since I've limited time on this one-on-one face-off, since I've limited time in the one-on-one face-off, because you'll give innumerable examples, I get your point. You must allow me to bring the other side in because 1 minute. No, 1 second. I want responses from both sides. I understand, but Sanju, there must be a full stop to your very long sentence. Please. Sanju, okay, you can't make all your points at the start. You can't make all your points at the start.
Why is her nephew ruling the Trinamool Congress by proxy?
My goodness.
Why is Abhishek Banerjee running West Bengal.
May I now,
so hard
Sanju?
for brownie points?
Who is
Sanju, may I
Prashant
now?
Kishore?
Sanju, may I now?
If Amit Shah is an outsider.
Sanju, may I now, please?
is not Prashant
Now,
Kishore an
1 second,
outsider?
Riju. Now,
If
you don't
JP
start
Nadda is an
before I let you.
outsider,
The problem
not
is she doesn't
Prashant
stop and you
Kishore
start
an
before I
outsider?
let you.
If Anurag
1
Thakur
second.
is an outsider, is not Prashant Kishore,
Okay.
a native of Bihar, an outsider?
My
so much
goodness.
for Didi's hypocrisy.
It is all 10 debates into one now.
Of course. Of course.
Can we stick to the topic, Arnab? And can I say my
gave
piece? please?
3.42 crore by way of Jan Dhan accounts to the people of Bengal. We built more than 50,000 houses for
the
rural
question,
poor in Bengal.
Sir, you asked me
We
regarding
gave
the insider-outsider
78 lakh
debate.
Ujjwala
The
gas
answer is
connections
very
to
simple.
the women of Bengal.
The
But
Saffron
you
Party
did not allow
in Bengal
PM Kisan
do
Yojana
not
to be
have a
implemented
strong
in
face.
Bengal.
They're just relying on their turncoats.
71 lakh
And as a
Bengali
result,
farmers
BJP rely upon their national
got
leaders,
funds under
from the
PM
Prime
Kisan.
Minister to the Home Minister to Sushil Deoghar, Vinod Taude, Vinod
Why did you
Sonkar,
not
Harish Dwivedi
implement
and Dushyant
Ayushman
Gautam.
Bharat?
So,
Why did you
these
not
people
implement
who they are
PM
reliant
Kisan?
on because they don't
Why
have
did you
faith
not
in their local
implement the
leaders
Smart Cities
are
mission?
unfortunately
Why
very
did you
alien
not
to the Bengal
implement the Swachh
culture.
Bharat survey?
They tried to
Why did you
appropriate
not
our
implement
icons,
the
they
RERA
tried
Act?
to politicize our
You do
idols,
not
but from the
implement
Prime
central
Minister till
government
the lower
policies
level
which
leaders
will
of
help
BJP.
No, Sanju, now you don't like being heckled, but you're just not listening to him. Sanju, you are not listening. Sanju, now you're being unfair. You were protesting very loudly when someone spoke over you, but for God's sake, you're not listening to him at all.
2011.
Sanju, you have to listen to the other side now, please. I'm requesting you. You can't say I won't listen, because then I can't listen to him either now. Come on, please, Sanju. Please accommodate,
No,
please
the fact is
accommodate,
that
please
this man
accommodate. Don't do
keeps
this.
talking gibberish. He needs to be told.
I think you had too much caffeine and you're
Let
trying
him
very
talk
hard.
gibberish. If you think it is gibberish, it is his choice.
Mr. Kushman, can I speak,
Absolutely
please?
nothing by way of giving good governance. You've killed more than 150
Can-
BJP karyakartas in the last 7 to 8 hours.
Arey Sanju Verma, Delhi is burning. Sindhu border is 80 minutes from Amit Shah's house. What is he doing in Bengal? You should be ashamed of yourself, you hypocrites. You should be ashamed.
Dhulal Kumar.
You are talking about development and good governance. I have heard enough. Even the host
Do you
tried to
remember
shut
that?
you, but you are not.
Do you remember our
You have too much caffeine and you are trying very hard to gain some brownie points.
Pregnant
Maybe you are
wife
looking for a nomination. I am not.
butchered by TMC.
I am here to say my piece.
You have the audacity.
You should be
to
ashamed
lecture
of
us
yourself.
Insider versus outsider.
The capital hill is, you have turned the capital of this country into Capitol Hill, and the Home Minister of this country has come for a political rally in Bengal.
Corruption.
Shame on you.
What
Shame on your party and shame on your spokesperson.
He's not coming, you need to have. He has cancelled his visit to Bengal in the middle of all this. So please appreciate that fact. You're also misleading. You're also misleading now. The breaking news is the Home Minister is working 24/7 to handle the security situation. He's cancelled the visit to Bengal. Now will you say thank you?
Being in government.
Thank you, Arnab. Thank you
He has
to the
called
Home
off his
Minister
visit.
for finally.
Now you won't appreciate that.
What he's supposed to do. What his chair is. No, I appreciate. He should finally realize what his responsibilities are.
I don't think he needs instructions from you on that. Did he call you to take advice before cancelling his visit?
As a person
seats.
who gives
Answer
his
the
own
question I
personality,
started.
I have the right to speak.
Now let's talk. We're talking about Mamta's comment, not Amit Shah.
Elections.
We are talking about Mamta's comment, not Amit
We are
Shah.
going to better our
Is Mamta doing a U-turn on the insider-outsider issue? Is she on the defensive?
Arnab, I gave the answer.
Is
but
she
I
on the
think you also
defensive?
probably couldn't hear. Arnab, can I give the answer now to your pertinent question? Can I please give the answer now?
Go on fast.
Yes, my answer is very simple. BJP is a formidable opponent of TMC in the upcoming Bengal polls. But they do not have a face to front Mamata Banerjee, and we are relying on the turncoats from TMC. So what happened is the BJP central machinery has, designated these central leaders like Dushyant Gautam, like Vinod Taude, like these central leaders to look after the
Sanju also equal.
As a result,
110th Assembly constituency.
These tourist gangs
He's
and
the
these central
strong man
leaders
of
are alien to the
Nandigram.
culture of Bengal.
He controls
They are
important
alien to the culture
areas
of
in
Bengal.
Purulia,
And multiple times, Arnab, you have
Bankura,
seen
East
that
Midnapur,
our
West
Prime
Midnapur.
Minister, our Home
What are you
Minister,
going to do
many
without
boo-boo
Suvendu Adhikari?
when it comes to
What will
regarding
you
the
do
culture of
without
Bengal.
Rajiv
They are trying
Maiti?
politicize
What
our
will you
idols.
do
They
without
have
Banashri
tried to
Maiti?
appropriate the
What will
icons,
you
but
do
they have
without
fallen
Kabir
flat on
Islam?
their
Riju.
What
So
will you do
as a
without
result,
Kabir Islam?
I will sincerely ask the BJP spokies and the BJP tourist gang and the central leaders coming to election in Bengal to learn the culture of Bengal. It's not a linguistic divide. If Bengal is a part of this country, so they should
Sanju.
learn the culture of Bengal. As simple as that. There's nothing much to talk about. They
Okay,
should learn the
okay.
culture of
Now, as I close the debate, as I close this last one-on-one face-off, viewers, we need to think about whether Mamata is worried or is changing her outsider-insider narrative. Viewers, we have a packed weekend schedule. I look forward to seeing you on the Sunday debate. Till then, good night and goodbye.